Today I am going to make Doodhi Halwa, Doodhi ka Halwa. This is Lauki in Hindi, Sorrakka in Tamil, Sorrakaya in Telugu and gourd, bottle gourd in English. Now I am going to we need to cut this. This is a big one and it's in season, so it's fresh. What you need to do is to check whether this is sweet or bitter to taste. Then you proceed with, it's very sweet. So what you do now is to peel the skin. After peeling the skin and tasting it for bitterness, it is sweet and fresh. I have cut the whole lauki in two, and this piece is whole, and this piece I have halved. I have taken the seed portion from this so that we can grate it further. This is the seed portion, middle portion, and for that middle portion you can use it in bhaji. I make chutney out of it, very good chutney, adding tomatoes, mint, onions. This should not be wasted because it is also a good vegetable to be added in anything. Now, and then soups you can make using this. Now we are going to grate and see how many cups we are going to get out of doodhi. Now we are going to see how we are going to make the doodhi halwa, doodhi ka halwa. These are 2 cups of grated doodhi, bottle gourd, lauki, sorrakka, and here is your more than half a cup of sugar. These are 3 tablespoons of ghee and quarter cup of milk powder, and then this is the flavoring of elaichi plus sugar ground together into a fine powder, and this is your gulab ka essence, a little bit, half teaspoon is enough. Now we are going to load one by one. First the ghee, you spread it evenly. Then you load the with a little bit of water, its own juices, so it doesn't matter. And then the sugar. Now we will check how it has gone. This I had to wait for 10 minutes on high heat to get that caramelized sugar aroma. Now we are going to check, open and check. Wow, this has cooked really well. The milk solids have, you have to integrate that in this and dip in the mawa. That's for the garnish. And then you have your rose essence. You give it a nice mix. Your lauki ka halwa is done in 10 minutes. 16 whistles it took to cook it to this consistency. The sugar should not become liquidy. You have to wait until the thing. I will show you how it is served. Your Lauki ka halwa is ready to enjoy.